In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a 15-minute Thai and basil beef meal prep. Let's get cooking. Oftentimes when we talk about meal preps, we talk long day full of cooking. This Asian-inspired meal prep is super quick to make. It tastes incredible, full of flavor, and you can put it on whatever you like to make it fit into your diet. I'm gonna use egg noodles today, but you can put it on rice, cauliflower rice, or just eat it on its own. Let's go ahead and prep our ingredients, and then we'll head over to the cooktop. The only thing that we have to assemble before we start cooking is our sauce. You're gonna start with 2 tablespoons low sodium soy sauce. We're gonna add in 1 tablespoon fish sauce. That's gonna add a nice little saltiness to it. 1 tablespoon of coconut sugar or brown sugar, and 1 tablespoon of sriracha. If you don't have sriracha, you can use chili paste for this. Give this a good mix, and then we're all set to start cooking. Now that we're ready to start cooking, go ahead and heat a large wok or a high-walled non-stick pan over medium-high heat. Give it a little spray with some non-stick cooking spray. Once that oil begins to smoke, we're gonna add in 1 pound extra lean ground beef. And we're just gonna break this apart and cook it all at the same time. Once you got it broken down into nice small pieces, you're gonna see all this liquid start to form. It's a little bit of water and a little bit of rendered out fat. We're just gonna let that cook all the way out, and then your ground beef will be done. Once all that liquid's been cooked out, we're gonna go ahead and add 1 sliced bell pepper, 1 large onion that we sliced, and 5 cloves of garlic. Give this a good mix and just keep cooking it down until your vegetables are cooked through. And we wanna make sure we mix this consistently because we don't want that garlic to burn. After about 5 minutes, it's time to add in our basil. I have about a cup of basil here that I've picked away the stems and just roughly torn apart the leaves. We're gonna cook this for about 30 seconds until the leaves start to wilt. And once that basil's wilted and you can start to smell it, we're gonna add in our sauce. Give it a good stir and make sure that it coats everything, and let it cook for about a minute. It should start to get a little bit sticky from that coconut sugar. Go ahead and kill the heat, and let's get this plated up. This recipe makes 4 servings. If you're gonna use a starch, this is the time to put it in. You want it at the bottom to absorb all those juices from the meat. The recipe in the description below will not include the starch. To finish this off, we're just gonna go ahead and garnish it with a couple pieces of torn fresh basil. And there you have it, guys. That is how you make a Thai basil beef meal prep in under 15 minutes. If you like this video, please smash that thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and comment down below what you want to see me make next week. Until next time, get cooking.